what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about 6 different ways you can do to create your own lead magnet. So when we are talking about creating a lead magnet, which means we are creating a piece of free content we're going to give away so that people can sign up to our email list. They can give their email address in exchange of the content we are giving away. Right, so the reason why we want to create a lead magnet, because we want to build a list, because the list is your ultimate asset on the internet. So how do we create our lead magnet? There are 6 different ways you can do about that. So the content actually doesn't have to be yours. It can be others as well. So you can be yours content, it can be other people's content. And there are 3 different ways you can do about that. You can either buy it, you can build it, or you can use any existing content, right? So if you buy it, which means you go to like Fiverr or Upwork or all of these kind of sites to outsource someone, to find someone to create the content for you, right? So they can write a report for you, they can record a video for you, things like that. Or you can go to what we call PLR site, private label right, to get the private label right. So what is private label right? Which means you pay for the right and they give you the right to publish as your own. So you don't have to create the entire content. You can find maybe an ebook, then you buy the PLR. And right now you have the right to publish the ebook, right? And also you can actually just build it, right? So you can create content just as lead magnets, right? So you can create a new content just for that. Or you can have an interview with someone. For example, if you want to reach out to Tony Robbins, an audience, and if you have an interview with Tony Robbins, you can use that interview as your lead magnet, right? So it could become a really great way because their audience want to learn more from Tony. So right now you just use that and you run ads to Tony's audience, and right now you can get traffic from their followers. So that's a great way of doing things, right? Also, if you already have any existing content, you can just use that. You already have a blog post, you already have some videos on YouTube, but no one is watching that, right? You can just use them. Or if you already have a webinar, or if you already have a sales video and there's some content inside the video, you can use that as well, right? So the best, I think, lead magnets is actually your sales material, because inside the sales material, you have some content so that you can use that as a lead magnet. Or you can go find some hard to find content. Maybe there's some video on YouTube or they are really valuable, but no one is watching them because it's really hard to find videos on YouTube, right? There's too many of that. It's overwhelming a lot of video. So you can say, hey, I just found 10 best videos about negotiation and I packaged them together in a members area. Go find them. So right now you give away the members area as your lead magnet. And on the members area, all the video are from YouTube. And trust me, it's totally legit, because when they publish on YouTube, they're giving away the right so that you can embed those videos on your site. So that's 6 different ways of creating your lead magnet, right? So it can be your content, can be other people's content, and you can either pay for it, or you can build it, or you can just find some existing content and make the best use of that. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.